Hello friends, this is 2021 Ford Bronco. What's new for 2021? Ford resurrected the Bronco nameplate for 2021 and it emulates the old-school vibe and off-road pedigree of its iconic mid-1960s predecessors. The new Bronco will arrive in a dealership in spring 2021. The base two-door Bronco start at just under $30,000, but upgrading to upper trims get expensively quickly. My ideal configuration will be a 4-door with a more powerful engine, and it needs to have the off-road hardware to live up to its roots. That points us towards the Bronco Wildtrack, which comes standard with 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels and the huge 35-inch mud terrain tires. Sorry folks, the Bronco doesn't come with 8 cylinders. Instead, you only have the choice of a 4-port or D6. The standard engine is a turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-4 that makes 270 horsepower. The other option is a twin-turbo 2.6-liter V6 that generates 310 horses. Ford has confirmed that the Bronco will eventually offer a hybrid powertrain too. A 10-speed automatic transmission bolts to both gas engines, but a 7-speed manual is only compatible with a smaller one. The 7-speed has a super low crawling ratio, which comes in handy for taking obstacles at lower speeds. Other noteworthy equipment options include 35-inch mud terrain tires, beadlock-capable wheels, electronic locking front and rear differentials, long travel dampers and a sway bar disconnect feature, 11.6 inches of maximum ground clearance, and ability to ford through up 33.5 inches of water are impressive. Both the 2 and the 4-door models are rated to tow 4,000 pounds. Neither the APA nor Ford have realized any fuel economy rates for 2021 Bronco. Interior comfort and cargo. Available with the 2 or 4 doors, soft tops or hard tops are removable body panels. The Bronco offers the same open-air possibilities that make the Wrangler an outdoor person's daylight. Ford's latest in-dash Sync 4 software will power the 8.0 or 12-inch touchscreen that embedded in the middle of the Bronco's dashboard. The setup allows over-air updates and can connect to the cloud and user's smartphone wirelessly. Ford provides a competitive limited and powertrain variety that aligns with most of its rivals. However, it lacks the complementary maintenance that some competitors provide. Thank you, friends.